Here, let's build some backcountry camping accessories such as a lantern, fire ring, flashlight, and sleeping bag for today's Lego brick tutorial. For a flashlight, let's take a lightsaber base, I'm not sure what these are called, and a round transparent yellow stud. Place it on one end. For the lantern, take a minifig hat. Let's place a transparent yellow round brick on top and a stud to finish it off. Take a 2x3 plate. Let's place a 1x6 flat tile on one side. And we're going to place two more 2x3 plates on both sides. This is going to be our sleeping bag. Next, a 1x1 plate right there, followed by a 1x2 flat tile, 1x3 flat tile, and a 1x6 flat tile to smooth off the top of the sleeping bag, and a 1x2 flat tile on top of the 1x1 plate for a little pillow. Let's take an 8x8 plate for the base of our fire ring. You can use any size you wish. I'm going to take a stud flower and place it somewhere in the center. Now I want to surround the stud flower with 4 1x2 jumper plates and 4 1x1 plates in the corners. Now crown off the top of the studs with 8 studs. These are going to be like little boulders. For a log, take a 1x2 modified round plate with 2 hollowed out studs. Place this right on top of the stud flower. Now I can go and crook it if you wish. And take a pair of transparent orange feathers and place them inside the open studs. We could just leave these like that to give ourselves a nice campfire. Everything is scaled for minifigures, so here we have Jay the server. He can lay on top of the sleeping bag. Too bad he can't lay inside, and he can easily grab a hold of the flashlight. The lantern he probably has to grab on the bottom. Put that on there. And don't drop that in the fire, there'll be an explosion. That's pretty much about it. So I hope this tutorial helped everyone out with your backcountry needs.